Papa said, no, he's going to take me outside to put me a new game on my PSP.
Xbox or PSP?
PSP.
But the PSP is not here, it's with Ampu.
No, not. I'm telling you, I'm just telling it. And I was sleeping in the car because I was so tired.
Who, when Baba told you?
No, Baba didn't tell me. I was sleeping in the car because I'm so tired.
He's making the message to Baba. So, in Baba car you were sleeping when he told you like this?
No,
When?
I'm sleeping myself because I'm so tired.
When? Today? Or before?
Before when I was 4 years old.
Okay. So you want a new game in the Xbox or in the PSP? You are really tired.
They're both of them.
Both of them?
Can I now make my presentation
You will
of
come Ramzi.
Both of them.
Both of them go there and tell Baba. You want a new games in the Xbox or PSP?
PSP and Xbox.
Okay. How about you? What you tell Sarah? Veronica is really teasing her. What you tell Sarah? What should she do for Veronica?
Leave her. Put your hands to yourself.
Yeah, and what you will tell? What is going on? Why you are doing like this?
Because my back is itchy.
Why it's itching? Come, let me see. Okay. Now, what you will tell Sarah? What to do to Veronica?
She must put her hands to herself.
No, but Veronica is teasing her. She should be what? Should stay with Veronica?
No.
Where should she go?
Stay.
She should be away?
Stay away from her.
How? Tell Sarah
By
now.
herself.
Tell her. Come, Sarah, beside him. He's going to tell you what you will do. Huh? Tell Sarah. Tell Sarah.
You must not play with Veronica.
Look at her. Look at each other and talk.
You must not play with Veronica. Can I now do my presentation, Mama?